Just make it the cry of your heart.
Shalom, ladies and gentlemen. This is Gifted Fingers. I'm cordially inviting you for the I Surrender worship experience that will be held at this 27th May, this Sunday. And I specify this coming Sunday, 27th May at 2 p.m. It will be at the King of Kings Worship Center, Jacaranda. Like, this church is just a few meters from Jacaranda, roundabout opposite Ediville School. If you really need the correct direction, you can dial these numbers. Call Papa Vitalis on 0715 746 702. And you can get in touch with Pastor Kelly at 0724 482 227. And you can also call me, Gifted Fingers, on 0718 129 122. The Vow Band will be in the house. The Healing Voice Band will be in the house. So you cannot afford to miss this one. And I'm not forgetting Powerful Ministers that will be in the house. Mr. Douglas will be in the house. Dolmax will be in the house. Not forgetting Gerald C. will be in the house. Papa Victor Wambeo, Powerful Oracle of God, will be in the house. Mesha Kwandabi, all the way from Kajiado County, will be there. Don't forgetting us, Pastor Kelly, our host pastor, will be there. Oh, if you've never seen an oracle, now welcome, because Pastor Kelly will be in the house, will be ministering about the power of worship. Pastor Chris Meshach will be in the house. Don't forget, come early. And remember, our Sister Eunice will be in the house, so don't forget. Many people are asking whether Pastor Henry Charles will be in the house. My friend, he has really confirmed to be there. In fact, he will be there. And don't miss, because he'll be speaking to us about the deep intensity of worship. Man, you've never seen the secrets of a worshiper. Hey, don't miss. Shalom. Come on.